I was at a conference, spoke at the same conference as the creator of ChatGPT. He's quite a peculiar man. And so it was the International Conference on Machine Learning, 40 years. These are the people who have been teaching machines to learn, which then builds artificial intelligence, Gen AI. And I sat on a panel with the vice president of Meta or Facebook, Apple, Microsoft, Google DeepMind, the president, Black and AI, and a professor from MIT. And in the 40 years of this conference, 10,000 people at the conference community. It's the first time they'd ever had an Indigenous person on one of their panels. Because they said one of their fears was they've built this thing, so they said, AI. So we built this thing and we forgot to embed ethics. So they had read, and I'll share a link to it at the end or a QR code, they'd read our Māori Data Governance Model. And so they invited me to come up and speak to it. Because they said, well, what we realised in reading your model is we forgot to include a particular voice in the build of this, which is ethics, right? And Indigenous lens.